Tita.
Hi, Tito.
Hi, Tito.
Tell them you're tired.
I'm tired.
Yan, o, diba? So, still social distancing with Santa Claus, guys. So, malayo pa rin kami kay Santa Claus. But, at least, you know, tingnan niyo si Baby Paris, oh. Ayaw niyang mag-smile. Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to our channel. Happy 24th of December. Kumusta ang ating mga Noche Buena dyan? It's currently 4:40 ng hapon and nakabihis na tayo. Ayan, si Daddy Mike, he's getting ready too. So wala si Baby Paris natin dito, nasa childcare siya. And yung agenda natin for this afternoon is ngayon nakabook yung ating picture taking with Santa. And yeah, we're very excited for that one, guys. Kasi alam nyo na, it's good na may picture kami with Santa na kaming tatlo this year. Kasi we all know na next year is magiging apat na kami. So, oh my God, seriously. Guys, yes, alam nyo, hindi pa rin siya parang fully sink in talaga na I'm going to be a mother of 2 next year. And it's just insane. Anyways, ayan guys, so naka-makeup tayo. Hindi halata na nagsusuka tayo earlier today. Oh my God, guys. I've been feeling sick. I've been vomiting and all today. Kaya yan, sobrang, I don't know guys, feeling tired ako today, but gusto kong parang jolly-jolly pa rin kasi I know Paris is looking forward for today, na makikita niya si Santa Claus and we'll take photo with Santa Claus. So yeah, go lang, kaya mo yan, mami. Anyways, ang aking bag ay nandito. Nilagay ko lang yung mga dress ni Paris na ipapasuot ko sa kanya mamaya kasi nga diba, sa childcare yan siya, very bulingit na naman yun siya. Pakita ko lang sa inyo quickly ang ating outfit. So, ito yung ating pa-outfit, guys. Ang ating buhok ay kinurl natin ng ganyan para naman, you know, for a change. And then, yung top natin is from Zara. Ayan. So, white siya na parang, I don't know if this is black or navy blue as well. Yung kanyang dito sa, ayan. Ganyan. Anyways, and then we've got this maxi skirt na navy blue, and this is from Country Road. And yeah, ang ating nude shoes, ayan. So ganyan lang ang ating pa-outfit today, guys. Wala, tingnan nyo guys, oh. Alam kong bilbil to guys, no? Malaki na talaga yung puson ko guys, even before. Pero parang na siya guys, parang lumulobo na siya. Lumalabas na talaga na ang ebidensya na buntis si Mami. Oh my Lord. Ayan. Oh, Daddy Mike had a haircut pala today. Daddy? Come, show your haircut. So, my bagong haircut si Daddy Mike. Ayan, oh. So, nagpa-haircut siya earlier today. Oh, very short na, diba? You like it?
I feel clean.
Huh?
I feel clean.
You feel clean? Ayan. Anyways, we gotta go now, guys. Kasi yung appointment namin is 6 o'clock and we have to drive 30 minutes ata from the childcare papunta doon sa shopping center. So yeah, oh guys, kakayanin ko to. I really hope na hindi ako yun bang atakihin ng morning sickness doon. Kasi kahit nandito ako sa bahay guys, kahit nakaupo lang ako, like I just quickly stand up kasi nasusuka ako. And yeah, oh my Lord. Buntis pa more. Anyways guys, we'll see you soon. Hi guys, so it's nearly 6 o'clock and kakarating lang namin dito. Ngayon ay nandito ako sa backseat. As you can see, kasi ang ating baby girl ay bibihisan na natin. Nak, did you say hi, Nak?
Mommy,
Did you say hi? Dito na lang natin bihisan guys para mabilis lang naman.
Mommy, I wanna get out.
Yeah, we have to change clothes first. Say hi, Tita there.
Hi, Tita.
Hi, Tito.
Hi, Tita.
Tell them you're tired.
I'm tired.
Sabi niya guys, she's tired daw.
I wanna get out, Mommy.
Okay, we'll go out. Wait, take this off.
Change your clothes.
Change the clothes, yeah. Change the
There's
outfit.
one that
We'll change the
the
outfit.
Mickey Mouse one.
The Mickey Mouse one.
I
Which
mean,
one do you reckon, Daddy?
I want the Mickey.
You ask Paris which one?
Which one do you like? This one? Or this one?
One day.
This one?
Yes.
Okay, I think this one is still big.
That's Paris. That's what Paris likes.
Okay.
I said, hey, what's this on the box?
What is it now?
Box, mommy.
Wow,
Ay,
marunong na si
sila
Baby Paris magpili, guys, ng damit.
Oh,
Wow!
that's so cool, mommy.
That's so cool, my love.
Santa will see. Santa will see.
Santa will say, oh, you've got a beautiful dress, Paris.
This is like a Christmas.
Like a Christmas.
It's like Christmas.
Wow.
It's like mommy.
Just like mommy.
Mommy.
Take the shoes off as well, not there. You have to change it. The
I
shoes.
said dirty.
Yes.
This is sand.
Yes.
There's sand.
Careful.
No.
Careful. Don't step on it.
Paris, be a good girl because Santa. We just gotta go see Santa now.
No.
Be a good girl.
You have to be a good girl for Santa, huh? Please. Santa's here. I don't want him to see Paris being naughty.
Yeah, or else he's not gonna come tonight.
We need want him to come tonight, Paris. He wants to be a good girl. Put your necklace on. Say thank you, mommy.
Thank you, mommy.
This one too.
Put that on.
Wait. Okay. Put this one.
Put that on your arm.
Santa will see.
Santa wants to see.
Santa wants to see my one.
Yeah, Santa wants to see your bangle. No, why is it?
What's else is broken?
Is it broken?
What's this is
No,
so
no.
broken?
Why is it not working now? Okay, put the shoes on.
You should want to me one.
This one, because there's no other shoes. Nandito na kami, guys. Sobrang mahangin. Whew. Sa wakas, natapos rin ang pagsuot ng damit kay Baby Paris. Alam niyo, guys, yung shopping center pala tonight, magko-close sila ng 6 o'clock. Kasi nga, diba, Christmas Eve. Pero, for sure, yung Santa Claus is, mamaya pa yan siya magko-close. Dito na kami sa loob. Hello, honey. Hello.
Hello?
Diyan lang naman, guys, sa baba. So, sobrang bilis lang. Oh, Santa's there. Are you excited, honey? Huh? Are you gonna say hi to Santa? Yes?
Go. Go, mommy.
Yes, ang dami pang mga tao dito, guys. Oh. Can you sing Jingle Bell?
Mommy.
No. Are you excited to see Santa, though?
Yes.
Oh, yes.
Santa Claus.
Santa Claus. Do you like Santa Claus?
Santa Claus. In the sea of the
Careful.
bed,
Be
mommy.
careful. Go, go, go. Yeah, we have to wait for our turn, Baba. We have to wait for our turn. Dance, dance. It's Paris' turn soon.
Now come.
One more and then it will be us, honey.
Now my
Remember,
Hindi na makapaghintay si Baby Paris.
the good girl, Santa's got to give her toy to, okay?
Yeah. Careful. Careful. Up na. I know it's your turn soon. You have to be very patient, okay? Good girl. Show me your dress, B. Show me your beautiful dress. Oh, look, careful, Anna. Show mama your beautiful dress. Wow. Do you like your dress? Do you like your dress? Stand up pala kay ma-dirty mong dress. Wow. It's us next, honey. Yes.
Pictures, mommy.
Yes.
Mommy, come too, mommy. You come too.
Mommy. Say thank you, Santa.
Merry Christmas, Santa.
Have a Merry Christmas
Okay.
and a Happy New
You too.
Year.
You too.
Come on.
Come on, let's go. Wow, good girl. Good girl.
That's you.
That's you.
It's a present today. It's so naughty, mom.
Yeah. Paris didn't smile.
Not a happy face from Paris.
Yeah. Ayan guys, kakatapos lang namin. Very quick. Super quick. And mga shops ay closed na pala guys, kaya alis na lang kami. Uuwi na kami and we'll get something to eat for dinner kasi hindi kami naghanda. Hello, Nak. What are you eating? What are you eating? Shush! Siya pala yung gumawa niyan guys. O, sa school nila kanina, gumawa sila ng truffles. Come on. We'll go get dinner. Dinner. Good girl. Come on.
Scary. Come on.
Can Paris run? Show mommy how you run, B.
Stop, the bus is coming. Look.
Oh no, quick.
Paris, quick, come on. Stop.
Careful.
No.
Have a look, Nak. Oh, there's a bus coming, Nak. Good girl.
I'm so tired.
So tired. Me too.
Come on.
Me too. Come on now. Where's the car? Where's the car? This way. Taas pa ng araw guys. Oh, it's only 6:30. So, ayan guys, nakabalik na kami ng sasakyan.
Take this out.
Time check tayo.
Oh, it's lucky.
It's now 6:30. Yes, 6:30 na ng gabi. And I'm just gonna quickly show you ating photo, guys. Si Paris, nung nandun na kami, ayaw na niyang tumawa. Pero sa lahat ng ano, guys, nag-text sila ng apat. Ito yung napili namin. So, binayaran ko lahat, guys, was $33 ata. Ayan. So, ito yung pinakamalaki.
Mommy.
The police.
Yan, o, diba? So, still social distancing with Santa Claus, guys. So, malayo pa rin kami kay Santa Claus. But, at least, you know, tingnan niyo si Baby Paris, oh. Ayaw niyang mag-smile.
Paris was a police.
Oh. Yan. So, yan yung ating, ano, Christmas photo 2020 with Santa Claus. Tapos, yung iba, yung mga maliliit na, ayan, pang souvenir ba? Yan.
Don't put that in your mouth.
And then, ito yung ano, ewan ko ang tawag dito guys. Ayan. O, dalawa. That's it. And then, meron silang binigay na ano, para sa fridge magnet. Ayan. And that's it.
That's what I need to ask you as well. Did you see my credit card?
Your credit card?
Yeah. The bank, the ING one. No?
No.
Okay.
Daddy, we can give this to none. This one. There you go. Ayan. So ngayon ay, where are we going na, Daddy? We're gonna have something to eat.
Yes. Get him at Waverly.
Hmm?
Get him at Waverly. I can get the Come on, I can get something to eat. We can get something to eat.
Yeah. Okay, so there you go, guys. Wala kaming handa, guys, sa aming nachiban na. Pero nag-order ako ng buko pie. I think dineliver na nila sa bahay yun. Pero hindi yun para sa amin, guys. In-order ko para bukas. Kasi tomorrow we'll be busy. We'll go see Daddy Mike's family. And yun yung dadalhin ko yung buko pie. Pero sabi ko kay Daddy Mike, pwede bang ako na lang yung kakain ng buko pie? Pwede bang dalhin ng half lang yung buko pie? Kasi gusto kong kainin yung half ng buko pie. Sabi Daddy Mike, you can't do that. But I've got an excuse, guys. Diba, guys? I'm buntis. I'm pregnant, so that's my excuse.
We're pregnant.
Daddy Mike's pregnant. Kaya yun. Ala, what are you doing, anak? Ala, she colored her nails. She colored her nails. Nak, were you happy to see Santa, Nak? Paris, were you happy to see Santa?
Yes.
Is Santa coming to our place tonight? To bring the presents for you?
Yes.
Have you been a good girl?
Yes.
Are you sure? Paris? Are you sure?
Yes.
Look at here. Look at here. Maldita. Joldita ka, nak? Nak? Joldita, syukaw? Ah, na siya banggol, ah. Show me your bracelet, B. Do you like it?
Yes.
Yes. Ang nakalagay sa bracelet niya, guys, Paris. Isa yan siya dun sa ano, yung pinadala ba sa amin. Alright, ready, steady?
Go.
Ready, steady?
Go.
Ayan, guys, dito na kami ngayon sa Mount Waverly. And pupunta lang kami sa isang Asian restaurant. Ayan ang ating Daddy Mike. And Paris. We're going to this Golden Ocean Seafood Barbecue Chinese restaurant. We haven't been here before, guys. Pero nakita to ni Daddy Mike last time. Ayan. So we'll go and see. Oh, my God. So busy.
Are you gonna try?
Hi guys! So it's now 9 o'clock ng gabi. Kanina pa pala kami nakauwi, guys. Pero nakaupo lang ako dito sa couch kasi oh my God, I feel so tired, guys. Super tired. Anyways, nanonood kami ni Baby Paris ng Christmas na show, Tom and Jerry. Ayan. Oh. She's humming, guys. And also, hinihintay pala namin yung ating buko pie. So, nag-order ako ng buko pie. And, sabi nila, nag-message sila kanina na around 2 o'clock yung, mag-start na silang mag-deliver. So, akala ko, guys, kasi wala nga kami dito kasi may nilakad kami, di ba? So, akala ko na nawala or gikawat baka, o gikaon baka sa area.
Yes. Papa Pig.
You want Peppa Pig? Message ko sila, guys, hindi pa pala sila nag-deliver. Sabi nila mga around 10 to 12 midnight pa daw. Oh my God. What would you like to watch now?
Yeah. Jungle.
What would you like to watch, honey?
Papa Pig.
We have to go to bed now because Santa is coming tonight to bring your presents. What did you ask from Santa?
One thing about mommy.
What is it, now?
Thing about.
Jingle bells? You want jingle bells?
Yes, in the TV.
You sing first. What did you ask from Santa? What did you ask from Santa?
No.
Have you been a good girl? If you've been naughty, then Santa won't give you a present. Have you been a good girl?
Come on, finger.
You have a look. You're very, very dirty. Show your hands, babe. Oh, we're gonna bathroom ta. We'll wash that one.
No.
Did you see Santa today?
Yes. Yes.
Were you shy?
Shy Paris.
Shy Paris? Did Santa talk to you?
Jingle bell.
Uy. Did Santa talk to you now? Said Paris. What would you like for Christmas, Paris?
No.
You want a car?
Yes.
What color car you want, Paris? What color car you want?
Pink.
Pink, okay. Let's go to bed now, so while you're sleeping, Santa will come and bring your present. Come on.
Yeah.
Na, Daddy's gone. Daddy's gone to bed now. Tingnan nyo guys, oh, nagdrawing-drawing.
For Christmas.
Come on na.
Now, Mommy.
Guys, dito na kami sa bed. Hindi pa pala ako nakapagbihis. At tinan nyo,
What's this one?
mag-makeup pa sa atin niya. Pero madilim na dito sa bedroom, guys. Kasi ang ating baby girl ay papatulog na natin. Kasi si Santa Claus is coming to town. So we have to go to sleep, yeah?
Who's coming? Who's coming tonight, Paris? Can you tell? Paris, can you tell your friends that you left? What did you leave outside for the reindeers? What's outside?
Carrots.
Carrots.
Carrots. Anyways, guys, i-end ko na yung vlog dito para mapatulog natin ang ating baby girl. Merry Christmas, everyone. I hope everyone is having a great time. Especially, you know, spending time with the family. Merry Christmas sa inyong lahat. Kahit sa ang sulok ng mundo, Merry Christmas sa inyong lahat, guys. And, of course, hindi natin kakalimutan mo shout out and Merry Christmas to our lovely subscribers. And the first shout out goes to A. Huablar, Emelita Gonzalez, Elizabeth Pakatang, Bivel Elerio, Marga Sabel, Sally Samaniano, Dineth Cruz, Tan Pham, Crispina Palma, Bernadine Ricabo, Lina Levares, Evelyn G. Cuta, Lolita Lacuesta, Eduardo Cabual,
Apat.
Brenda Osorio, M. Torres, Chari Salazar, Christine Namayan, Neneng Estimo, Cecil Regalado, Gina Clark, Marilyn Achivar, Revelyn Lagitin, Daya Magallanes, and Ritz Escape. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thumbs up if you like it. Thumbs up. Thumbs up. And make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And we hope to see you all guys in the next one. Don't forget to be good. And if you can't,
Bye.
Cat for bye.
bye.